This is a basic MeCour temperature control instructional video that's going to illustrate the three major components of any MeCour system. First off, all MeCour thermal block units are connected to recirculating baths. This particular unit here is perfect for 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Our temperature range exists between -90 Celsius to a plus 250 degrees Celsius. All systems are made to either integrate with a liquid handler, and in this case the Hamilton Star Deck, or perfect for compact setups for benchtop applications. So this is the Huber mini compact circulator. Dimensions for this unit: approximately 9 inches wide by 15 inches deep by 15 inches in height. This unit, we recommend that it goes down on the floor. You're issued 2 6-foot sections of insulated tubing. The unit has rear fittings that you just attach those. Use 2 clamps to clamp them down tight, and the tubing comes out front. I just wanted to show, the clear tubing and the insulated tubing. It will come off the front of the Hamilton Star Deck. This is the actual deck plate that we've managed to keep at MeCour for testing purposes. The insulation and the tube insulation is 1.5 inches in outer diameter. All of our units come with fluid quick disconnect fittings, double valve, meaning the valve on the threaded portion that goes into the block shuts down, as well as the 2 hose barb connects in the front. Simple setup for this unit here. It's quite quiet. This is its normal sound or decibel level. To change any of the temperature settings, press temperature reset, and just simply go, and this will automatically kick on cooling to bring it down to the temperature you just set. Over here, I'm sorry, but this is the only example that we have of some tube units, and demonstrating how easy it is to just disconnect. Hold this down, press down. Okay, you get a couple of drops of water and food grade glycol, and that is it for the unit here. These can be slid right off the deck. This is not attached, obviously, so we have, these are the rails that we will put on the underside of the thermal unit that slides in between the black locator pins or torpedoes on the deck. So we supply this. The rack, you just completely slide it off. You do not have to touch the circulator itself. It'll continue running when you come back. You just reconnect the 2 fluid fittings. As I said, these can just lay down on the floor, underneath the table, wherever, and then just reconnect them. As simple as they were to take off. And that's it. This is back online. The units that we make are specific solely to the customer's requirements. This particular customer needed 50 mil tubes with a complementary row of 2 mil tubes. This particular customer, close to 500 2 mil tubes. Every single one of them are running at the exact same temperature, give or take a couple thousandths of a degree. The only other equipment here for Hamilton decks is the actual base that would fit underneath here if necessary. We generally kind of bypass this to avoid the expense of purchasing this, and simply attach the rails, which would be underneath this unit here like so, and we just attach the rails directly to the base of our units. As far as changing temperature, as I said, it's quite simple. This is strictly for cooling, but we offer straight cooling circulators, units that do only heating, and then there are another category of circulators that do both heating and cooling at your request. You can have, as we call them, Smartcom circulators, which provide programmable options in a software interface with your PC, and you can set and walk away, let it run for 48 hours for an entire week and come back. Check out the data logging for the thermal mapping, make sure there were no power outages, and that your workflow went uninterrupted for whatever amount of time you had it online. That is pretty much it. We designed these units. We're cognizant of the no-fly zone on Hamilton decks, basically around 140 millimeters as measured from the deck surface up. So we just comply with that. And as I said, we'll design the unit to fit the deck space that you have available. Thank you very much. Any questions, by all means, give our office a call, 978-372-6085. Thank you.